And evening news at 6.
Prosecutors have charged a teen in Schaumburg with murder after initially saying the teen and his victim were mutual combatants. It stems from a stabbing in September.
WGN's Patrick Elwood has more from the courthouse in Rolling Meadows.
I feel relieved that finally we at least got a step forward to some kind of justice. There's still a long way to go.
That is Nakia Naylor, the mother of Manuel Portis Jr., who was stabbed to death on September 28th. The fight was recorded by an observer on a cell phone. The 18-year-old Portis was killed by a 17-year-old who is now facing first-degree murder charges. We stopped the video recording here due to the violent and bloody moments that would unfold. Portis Jr. is fighting with just fists. Unbeknownst to him, his opponent has a knife in hand. Initially, that suspect was only charged with misdemeanor possession of a weapon and nothing more beyond that, with the Cook County State's attorney explaining it as a no-fault incident involving mutual combatants, and there was insufficient evidence for more serious charges. But today, all of that changed. The accused appearing in court as prosecutors detailed a more serious case against him with upgraded charges, telling the judge the two were once friends but had a falling out over money and marijuana, and that the defendant found out where Portis Jr. was that day, intent of not only pursuing and fighting him, but through a series of Snapchats saying Portis was running scared and he vowed to kill him. When the two did begin to fight, again, prosecutors contend Portis thought it was just going to be fisticuffs. They say after the 17-year-old left Portis Jr. for dead, he went home, changed his clothes, and discarded the knife. Portis' family was initially outraged at the misdemeanor-only mutual combatants explanation, but in a statement released by the Schaumburg Police Department, neither police or prosecutors would offer a detailed explanation as to why now comes the first-degree murder charge, with Kim Fox saying the Schaumburg detectives and the Cook County Assistant State's Attorney's collaboration on this case is an example of the system working effectively to bring justice for the Portis family and the people of Cook County. We are incredibly grateful for the thoroughness and dedication of the Schaumburg Police Department, unquote. His mother never understood the original classification of this being mutual combatants when the suspect brought a knife to that fist fight.
It was very, very difficult, a journey that I wouldn't wish on any mother. Even in mutual combat, I really don't agree with it at all. But at this point, we're trying to fight for my son to get what he deserves.
The judge set the bail at $350,000 for the suspect, currently being held at the Cook County Juvenile Detention Center. He will be back in court December 3rd. Reporting from Rolling Meadows at the courthouse here, Patrick Elwood, WGN News.